Hazrat Ubaid bin Umair narrates that he heard from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would stay with Hazrat Zainab, the daughter of Jaish, and consume honey from there. So I and Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha planned that when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam might visit any one of us, she should say, I am perceiving the smell of maghfir from you. Have you consumed maghfir, an ill-smelling gum? So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited one of them, and she whereupon said the same. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, No, I have rather consumed honey from Zainab, the daughter of Jaish. Now I will never take it henceforth. So this verse was revealed. O the communicator of the unseen Prophet, why do you forbid for yourself what Allah has made lawful for you, seeking the pleasure of your wives? Surah Tahrim verse 1. And in the verse, if you two wives of the Prophet turn towards Allah, Tahrim verse 4, Hazrat Aisha and Hazrat Hafsa radiyallahu anha have been addressed. And in the verse, when the Prophet told a secret matter to one of his wives, Surah Tahrim verse 3, refers to the incident when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Rather I have consumed honey. Ibrahim bin Musa has reported from Hisham, I will never drink it henceforth, and swear an oath, and you should not tell it to anyone else. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6691.